In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 10 most fascinating and mysterious planets in the observable universe. Today we're going to be discussing some of the most interesting planets in space. These planets are shrouded in mystery, and scientists still don't know a lot about them. But that's what makes them so intriguing. So sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown by these amazing celestial bodies. 10. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest in the solar system. It is the only planet known to support life, and it is thought to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago. The surface of Earth is divided into two hemispheres, the northern and southern hemispheres, which are separated by the equator. The northern hemisphere includes Europe, Asia, and North America, while the southern hemisphere includes Africa, Australia, and South America. Earth has a variety of landscapes, including mountains, deserts, forests, and oceans. So if you are getting interested in the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. 9. Saturn. There's something about Saturn that has always captured the imagination of humankind. Perhaps it's the beautiful rings that encircle the planet, or the fact that it's just so big. And we're still learning new things about it every day. For example, did you know that Saturn is actually made mostly of gas and dust? That's right, it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth does. Instead, if you were to stand on Saturn, you would just be floating in space. But even though Saturn is mostly gas and dust, it still has some pretty amazing features. 8. Neptune. Neptune is a gas giant planet located in the outer solar system, specifically in the Kuiper Belt. It's the fourth largest planet in terms of diameter and the third largest in terms of mass. Despite being so large, Neptune is actually the farthest planet from the Sun, taking 164.8 years to complete one orbit. Due to its distance from the Sun, Neptune has a very cold atmosphere, with temperatures ranging from -214 degrees Celsius at the equator to -218 degrees Celsius at the poles. The atmosphere of Neptune is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives the planet its blue color. Interestingly, Neptune also has the strongest winds of any planet in the solar system, with wind speeds reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Given its size and distance from the Sun, Neptune is a very fascinating and mysterious planet in the observable universe. 7. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and was only discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Uranus is unique in many ways and has puzzled astronomers for centuries. For example, it is the only planet that rotates on its side, with an axial tilt of 97.77 degrees. This means that its north and south poles point almost directly at the Sun during its summer and winter solstices respectively. As a result, Uranus experiences extreme seasonal variations, with long periods of daylight or darkness depending on its position in its orbit. 6. Jupiter. Out of all the planets in our solar system, Jupiter is perhaps the most fascinating and mysterious. It is the largest planet, and its massive size means that it has a much stronger gravitational pull than any of the other planets. This gravity affects everything from the way Jupiter's atmosphere behaves to the way its moons orbit. Jupiter also has a very high rate of rotation, meaning that it completes one day every 10 hours. This fast rotation creates strong winds and massive storms, such as the Great Red Spot, which has been churning for centuries. Jupiter is truly a remarkable planet, and its mysteries continue to captivate astronomers and laypeople alike. 5. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The red color is due to the high iron oxide content in the Martian soil. Mars has a diameter of just over 4,200 miles, making it about half the size of Earth. The Martian day, or sol, is just over 24 hours long. Although Mars is a barren and hostile world today, there is evidence that it was once much more hospitable to life. Ancient Martian rivers and lakes have been discovered by orbiting spacecraft, and scientists believe that Mars may have once had a thicker atmosphere that could have supported liquid water on its surface. If this is true, then Mars may have been home to primitive life forms in its distant past. 4. Venus. Out of all the planets in our solar system, Venus is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and mass. However, that is where the similarities end. Venus has a much thicker atmosphere than Earth, which causes it to have a runaway greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest planet in the solar system. The surface temperature of Venus can reach up to 465 degrees Celsius. In addition, Venus has a very slow rotation rate, meaning that a day on Venus, known as a sol, lasts longer than a year. As a result, a day on Venus lasts longer than an entire year. Finally, Venus is also known for its very bright and reflective cloud cover, which is thought to be composed of sulfuric acid droplets. 3. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it orbits closest to the Sun. As a result, Mercury experiences extreme temperatures, with daytime temperatures reaching up to 430 degrees Celsius and nighttime temperatures plunging to -180 degrees Celsius. Mercury also has a very thin atmosphere and no moons. All of these factors make Mercury a very challenging place to study. Nevertheless, scientists have been able to learn a great deal about this intriguing planet by using space telescopes and other advanced technology. 2. Pluto. Discovered in 1930 by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh. One of the most interesting things about Pluto is its extremely elliptical orbit, which takes it closer to the Sun than any other planet in our solar system. This means that Pluto experiences extreme temperature swings, from -243 degrees Celsius at perihelion to +23 degrees Celsius at aphelion. As a result, much of Pluto's surface is covered in ice that sublimates and vaporizes during periods of increased solar activity. 1. Eris. Eris is one of the most distant objects in our solar system, and it is also one of the largest. Discovered in 2005, Eris is thought to be about the same size as Pluto. However, its surface is very different from Pluto's. Eris is covered in ice, and it has a bright white surface. This makes it very difficult to observe from Earth. In fact, Eris was only discovered after scientists noticed that it was causing a strange perturbation in the orbit of Pluto. Due to its large size and strange orbit, Eris is thought to be a dwarf planet. However, its true nature is still a mystery. So this is all about the video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day!